let's take a look at the Euro USD for the upcoming August 25th session. As you can see here on the daily chart, just a lot of consolidation, and that allows us to quickly move on down to the lower time frames. Again, lots of consolidation going on in here. A little bit more rhythm on the 4-hour. But as we see this consolidation happening on these higher time frames, again, it lets us know that really the best place to negotiate intraday trades or even kind of small swing trades would be on a lower time frame. Swing trades, smaller being, through a couple sessions, perhaps from one London session through to another London session. And on this 4-hour time frame, probably the thing that we most want to recognize is that the MACD is now above the waterline, which is suggesting to us that we probably are starting to maybe develop a new uptrend. And we want to note that we've come across this trend line here on the 4-hour. Now, the other thing that we want to notice on the 4 hours, you can see that we've rallied up and we've pulled back here over the last day or so, but we're retesting this previous resistance right now as support. And with the MACD saying that we're suggesting us that we're in an uptrend now, we're going to go down to these lower time frames and see if there's something that can suggest to us that we could look for some continued upward movement on this chart. And here's this consolidation period that we erupted out of at the end of last week, and you can see that we're right on it right now. And we've had the charts pull back, and we're really close to it. The MACD's in a neutral position, and this is really looking like it wants to hold at this point, and we're going to be looking for a high probability move to the upside. So going down to at least our 30-minute chart, because we know that it takes these videos a little bit of time to get uploaded and converted for all of you. So we usually don't like to go down to too low of a time frame. So we're taking a look at this 30-minute chart, and the nice thing I think about this 30-minute chart is that we have a really good 30-minute trend line that's coming through here. And right now we're going to watch a couple key levels. We have a nice 200 30-minute EMA coming up here right at this previous resistance level, now acting as support. And so what we'd like to do, and there's a 30-minute chart, even though the MACD is below the waterline, there's a lot of momentum from the upward time frame saying, hey, we might have just paused here, and we're looking to go to the upside. So really a solid close above this 30-minute trend line would be nice to go long. And if we're taking a look at this, even a close above this 40 EMA would be a nice place to look to go long to get in early. We'd want to be taking some profit off the table near these highs because it is summer. It's one of the last weeks of August. It may bounce back. So make sure, again, during August, you're taking some profit as you go. The other thing that we want to say and keep open is a possibility for a sell. And we'd want to see a sell, not a spike below, but a close below this 200 EMA and this previous resistance area, this support line that we have in right here. A close below that on an hourly chart would give us an indication that we'd be looking to sell the euro. So right now, the indicators, momentum, a lot of things, higher time frames are suggesting to us to look to at least go back up and retest these highs. Again, be looking to take some profit as we come up into these highs on the euro. Could form like a double, triple top up in that area, and then longer term, maybe during New York, start to pull back. But right now, we have a strong support for a buy from this area, and it looks like it's going to begin executing soon. And also wanted to be aware for the other probability of a trade, and that would be a close on the hourly chart below this 200 30-minute EMA and this support line that we've drawn in here, which was previous resistance. So that's about all for the Euro USD coming up, and let's go ahead and take a look at another pair.